Hi boys and girls, today we're going to go over some word problems that you might see in your homework. The ones in your homework are really nice because they have those words more or fewer or gives and left. So they're really nice to circle those words to tell you are you going to add or subtract. Now the two that I'm going to go over might also be some trickier ones that I want you to watch out for that you might see later. And I want you to be able to do these when you get into third grade as well. So this first one, Damon collects stamps. He has 383 stamps, then he buys 126 more at a yard sale. How many stamps does he have now? So a reminder, look through your work or the word problem, see what clues it can tell you. You want to circle your numbers. Those are my numbers, and there's this lovely word more that I'm also going to circle because it helps tell me if I'm going to add or subtract. So he has 383, and then he buys 126 more. That tells me that I'm going to add 126. Then you do your adding. Start with your ones. 6 plus 3 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're 0. Carry that 1 up here. Then you add your hundreds. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. So you get 509. And then don't forget your label. How many stamps? And you would write your label stamps. Okay, now this one is a trickier one that I want to go over so that it can help you if you see this later on, and in third grade you're more prepared too. April has 98 fewer pennies than Julie has. So I see April has 98 fewer. So April does not have 98, she has 98 fewer pennies than Julie has. April has 521 pennies. How many pennies does Julie have? So now we know that April has 521. I'm going to show you how to do this in your comparison bars as well as explain it. So first of all, April has 98 fewer and April has 521, which means that Julie has more. So if Julie has more, her number is going to be bigger than this number, which means you actually have to add even though you see the word fewer. Now let me show you in a comparison bar why that is. So we have our comparison bars. Remember, the top one is your big one. It's your total. Then you have your two small one, and then your circle. The circle is the easiest one. That's the words with more, fewer, less. So we have our fewer, 98 fewer. So we just plug 98 right into this piece. 98. Now let's see who has more and who has fewer. April has 98 fewer. So I'm going to label the bottom one as April because April has fewer. It tells me right here, April has fewer. So she's the small one, which means Julie has the big one. Julie. Now it tells me April has 521. If April has 521, I'm going to put that in April's box. 521. There you have it, boys and girls. You add these two together to get Julie's big one. The comparison bars are really helpful for lining that out. When you read this, if you thought that you should subtract because of the word fewer, you should be drawing pictures to help you. So then you're going to add your two numbers. So 521 plus 98. All right, add 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry that 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So you get that Julie has 611. 19 pennies. And I know you guys like me to write it here too. 619. All right, so watch out for those. If you're comparing two people, draw comparison bars. It really, really helps you. I know that you're at home and I'm not there to force you to do it. So you need to take the time to draw out your comparison bars to help you out. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.